Hi, are you stuck or are you trapped? These are very common questions that people have been asking, especially those who are in the stock market investment. So what does it mean? In stock market itself, many retailers, as always, it has been a habit for them to only chase a particular stock when the share price is moving higher and higher and higher. And this is one of the reasons why that many people lose as well when they are actually stuck or trapped at a high price. So what can you do about it? Right? So this has been a question that today I'm going to give you an immediate indicators or factors that actually you can take into considerations to get up from it. Alright? Hi, my name is David Tong from Wealth Architect to you. Today I'm going to share with you 3 indicators for you to look out if you are stuck or you are trapped. What is the first one? The first one is you need to look at the economy factors, all the economy indicators at the current situations at a particular point of time that will affect your particular counters itself. Very important, number 1. Number 2 is your own capital positions itself. Now, of course, many of the retailers, they will have one common answer to that, which I have a limited capital. So what should I do? Third is the outlook of the company itself in the futures 1 to 2 years itself. So that you can actually look out in the quarter results prospect itself. Now, these are the 3 indicators that you should be starting to look at it now if you are trapped or stuck at a high price. Number 1, the current situations now is everybody know that it's currently not good. So it might affect the particular counter itself that going forward, it will not be generating any better profits. So you are expecting a bad indicator that will actually affect the company itself. Second, limited capital. And third, however, you still look good on the company itself. So if these are the 3 indicators, for example, I give you just now at this particular point of situations, what is the strategy you can do? The strategy is very simple. Since you are limited capital itself, for me, I will normally release my capital 50% from the company itself, and actually when the company is actually influenced by the economy indicators which are very bad on that particular point of time, I'm going to let it stable and buy back on the dip itself. Alright? Simple, right? So basically, stock investment is simple and made easy. It's just that you really need to look at and know what are the indicators to look out for to make your investment decision. I hope this video of mine will able to trigger your mind what you should do for some of the good fundamental company which maybe at this particular point of time is not good, but outlook will be better in the coming 1 to 2 years. Alright, so I hope you enjoy and learn from my video itself. Stay tuned for the next video from Wealth Architect to you, and remember to subscribe our YouTube so that you will receive a pop-up when we are actually uploading new videos. And of course, at the same time, please remember to like our social media page, Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. Bye!